Drew here with WMR, here today with a KTM SX-E2. We go through this bike with you guys today, show you the different modes, how to operate the throttle, and the size differences that this bike has. All right guys, so we're gonna get this thing fired up. First thing we're gonna do is hit this power button switch on the left-hand side. We'll hold that down for 3 seconds. The light will illuminate, letting you know that the unit is on. So once the unit's on, if we wanna change our power modes, what we'll do is we'll move over here to the throttle side. We need to take the throttle, roll it forward, and then hold the power switch button down again for 3 seconds. The light will change into a different color, letting you know that a different power mode has been entered. There are 3 different power modes that you're able to choose from. If we hold the button down again, it'll move into the third, showing a green light, showing that you are now in the third mode. Once the mode is set that you want to use, let go of the throttle. Go ahead and put your lanyard on. Push the throttle forward again to activate the bike. Hit the gas, and you're off. Okay, another great attribute to this SX-E2 is the adjustability of the seat height on this bike. So we can take it from 18.5 inches to 19.5 inches by just doing a few adjustments on the bike. By moving the foot pegs up into a different position, changing the shock mount from one position to the other, and raising the forks and the triple clamps 1 inch brings this bike from 18.5 inches to 19.5 inches, giving a broad range of growth for the child to grow into the bike. Okay guys, so that's it for the KTM SX-E2. Get yourself on down to WMR, come check these things out.